back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Luz Friends, and as you can tell by the video, today we are going to do a pink summer look, and which is very perfect for summer right now. And if you guys want to see the results, stay tuned. And yeah, so I already prepped my face, all of that, the moisturizer, and just now I'm just gonna put the primer, and I'm gonna be using the Time Balm. Okay, so now I'm just spreading all of the primer in my face. And now I am just spreading it all over my face, and there we go. I'm gonna be using the Fit Me. This foundation, I super love this one because since I have a dry skin, this one does not dry me out since it's a hydrating foundation, and also it has SPF 18, so you know you don't need to have like a lot of sunscreen. Especially right now, it's summer in here in Canada, so it's better to use a foundation that has SPF in it. So yeah, the coverage of this one is just like a natural one. This is not a full coverage, so if you want like a really full coverage, this is not the one. And for my concealer I'm gonna be using the Pure one. This is in shade Tan. Concealer, it's a cream one, and I just feel like cream one really like helps covering my acne. And with this, I like to use my finger. For my eyelid primer I'm gonna be using the Balm one. My eyelid gets oily sometimes, so I like to use a primer so my eyeshadow will stay put, and it helps to make them more pop out. Yeah. And for my eyebrow I'm gonna be using the Clean Tattoo Studio. This one. This is in shade 380 Deep Brown, and I'm using e.l.f. brush. And I'm just gonna outline my eyebrow, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Age Rewind and golden, yeah, in a golden color, which is this one. And I'm gonna use a brush. And for the next product I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Boost and Set. This is just a gel for my eyebrow. Since I have a lot of hair in my eyebrow, I like to use a gel one to, you know, just stay put. Now we're gonna do the eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna be using the NYX Off Traffic. Yep. And now we're gonna start the base, and I'm just gonna use this shade, which is, I think this is the lightest one, this shade. Now I'm gonna go for the brown one. This one. This shade. The next color that I'm gonna be using is this one. There we go. I know it looks crazy, but we're gonna blend it. Don't worry. Gonna blend it. For the next color is I'm gonna be using the purple one. Just a little bit of purple. And I'm gonna apply it on the side, just the side one, to make it a little bit darker. I'm just gonna get this color, this one, and I'm gonna apply it on my outer eyelid. And I know it doesn't look perfectly, but once we put the eyeliner and the eyelashes, it will be. But for the eyeliner, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Flash Cat Eye. We're done with the eyeliner. And we're gonna put a little bit of mascara, and the mascara that I'm gonna be using is the Pearl one. Per the Big Look. For my eyelashes, I'm going to be using the Blow Up Kiss one, which is this one. And the glue that I like to use for the eyelashes is I use the Duo one. As you can see, just applying eyelashes make it a really big difference. Guys, sorry, my camera ended up dying, so I have to switch with my phone, but this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and please let me know in the comment section below if you guys like this look, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Audio Jungle.